because I'm always excited to get it. So, I feel like I'm at a weird angle. So I just have 2 packages this month. Let's see what's in here. I know I just got all oils this month because there was so many that I needed to get and wanted to try. So this first one here is not coming out. Okay, patchouli. That was one of the free ones, which I really like patchouli. I love to diffuse it. It smells great. It's great for skin. It's one of my faves. I ordered citronella, and this is true citronella. It's not the geranium plant citronella, but it's actually the citronella plant, which is something different than the mosquito plant that they sell at, you know, different stores this time of year. It's really not true citronella, it just smells like it. So this is the real deal. And I'm gonna use this in my, it's really strong. I'm gonna use this in some homemade bug spray. So that's why I got that. I also got Thieves toothpaste for free. And that's something that we use. And actually, on a side note with that, my daughter always has problems with her gums being inflamed. And she was so resistant to using natural toothpaste. I couldn't get her to use the Thieves. She wanted to use, you know, traditional toothpaste, Crest and the whitening stuff. And but she was always coming to me like, Mom, look at my gums, they're inflamed. And so I finally got her to start using the Thieves toothpaste because it has clove in it, which is really good for inflammation, and it's just so much gentler on your teeth. And she's hooked on it. I got her to use it, and now she's like, Mom, my teeth don't hurt, my gums aren't hurting me. She doesn't have the inflammation, and she actually likes it now. I don't know why. She's always funny about toothpaste and was stuck on her, you know, toothpaste that was not natural, and now she likes it. So I'm excited that I just wanted to share that because I really did notice that her gums, she's just not having the problem anymore that she was. So anyway, I got lime, which I've been wanting lime. I have not ordered this yet. This is my first time. But I know you can put this in drinks, like mixed drinks, but also like, you know, in your water. It smells really good to diffuse, to mix lime with other things. It really has a great smell. And you can also put it in guacamole or Mexican dishes, Asian dishes. You can put it in salsa. Copaiba, this is similar to the very popular CBD oil that's kind of all the rage right now. But it's not the same, but it's similar. It has similar uses. It's for inflammation, and I love the subtle smell of Copaiba. I put this in my smoothies, and I also use it in my skincare serum, and I was low on it, so I got a bigger bottle. All right. Whoa. Okay, so I got Joy. This was one of my friend's favorite oils, and she's always putting it on, and I didn't have any, so it was one that I waited to buy and till now, and I love it. I love the way it smells. I think this is gonna be one of the ones that I will use daily just to smell good, although, you know, it has a lot of beneficial properties, I'm sure. Lavender was a free one. And this is something we use a lot, so I always can use lavender. All right. Whoa, oil's flying everywhere. Okay, this is the dry skin serum. And this is something I haven't tried either, but I wanted to use it. Normally I make my own face serum, and I like it, but because it's summer and my skin tends to get a little bit drier because I'm outside more with the pool and swimming and, you know, sunburn. So I'm just going to try this. I haven't tried it yet, so I'm excited. And it's only like $20, which is not bad. So a few drops should be great. I got Eucalyptus globalis, and this is for many uses, but in what I particularly had in mind with the eucalyptus was to put it in my homemade insect repellent. But also eucalyptus is great for allergies or when you have a cold or you're stuffy or those types of things. So I got another box. Wow, I got a lot of oils. I realized that I got all this. I got another Thieves, and I did not order this. This may have been a mistake, or maybe they sent me two for free. I really don't know why I have that. I'm starting to get confused. Sometimes they send you free things, which is the great thing about Young Living. You never really know what they're doing, but sometimes they do send you free things. I got another eucalyptus, which I'm thinking that was also a mistake because I know I didn't order two. So sometimes this company, I think they might be smoking reefer in the business office. I don't know. But anyway, I shouldn't say that. Sometimes I do get some things shipped wrong, I will be honest, but they're always very generous about it, and they are really great about anytime I've had to call them with, you know, something got delayed or if I got something extra, they're just like, you know, you keep it or we'll send you another one. So it's a really generous company, and that's one thing about Young Living that I really appreciate. And right now I'm starting to think that they sent me a bunch of extra stuff that I didn't order because I've got doubles of everything. So anyway, thank you, Young Living. So anyway, that is, what is this? Okay. Yeah, this is some of the stuff I remember now. They sent me an extra dry skin serum, which thank you, Young Living. I got rosemary. This was something I did order. And this I'm using for my daughter's hair growth because she loves it. But also I'm going to use this in my bug spray or my insect repellent. And let's see, I don't want to ramble. Okay, this was my main thing that I was looking forward to getting. This is Palo Santo. I have not smelled this yet, but here's the deal. I was in New York recently, and this is Palo Santo. This is the wood that it comes from. I was at like a little hippie store there in this little town, and you know, they sold like oils and stuff, and they had these little incense sticks, but it's really, this is Palo Santo wood, and I couldn't help but love, I had to buy them. They weren't even that expensive. I mean, it was like a few dollars for these, but this is incense, but it's not man-made. It's like from the tree, and it smells just so nice, and I just love the way this wood smells. And this is where the Palo Santo essential oil comes from, this wood. It's extracted from this wood. So after getting these, I had to get the oil because I did not know how wonderful it was. And now I am going to smell it right now. And it's really earthy, and I love earthy smells, and it's really good. But it also has some really good, interesting key constituents, and the thing about it is, I have this book, so I'm just gonna read a couple things out of here about it. It's in the same botanical family as frankincense, which frankincense is awesome for like anti-cancer. It's really an awesome oil. It's a pricey oil. The Palo Santo is actually a little less expensive, and it is used in South America to repel mosquitoes, for fevers, infections, and skin diseases. Actually, the word Palo Santo means holy or sacred wood. Its medical properties is anti-cancerous, anti-blastic, anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, antifungal, and antiviral. It reduces airborne contaminants when diffused. So it's a really, it's a great oil. It's a win for me, because sometimes the oils, honestly, can be a little, I don't love all the smells of all the oils. I love essential oils, but some of them I'm like, I don't know if I like the way it smells, but I'll still use it because it's good for me and it has so many good things about it that I will use it. But I'd much rather use an oil that is wonderful, but also smells wonderful. So this to me is a win. I'm excited about Palo Santo. So anyway, I just thought I'd share that about these, because you can burn these, but I don't even want to burn them because I think they just smell good as is, and if I burn them, then I won't have them anymore. So anyway, that's that. So that's my order, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope I didn't ramble too much. But anyway, thank you for watching, and if you liked it, you can always do the thumbs up and subscribe. I'm not trying to like be a YouTube star or anything. I just like to share these videos with the people that are under me in the Young Living business, and I also just think it's informative. I like to watch other people's videos too. I always learn if there's something I haven't tried yet and somebody else has tried it and then they post a video about it. I really like watching it. It's helpful to me. So, and this is something I am passionate about. I'm excited about it. I don't want to push it on anyone. I don't want people to think, oh, she's just going to bug me about oils, because I'm not. But I feel like in these videos, I can be passionate. I can say what I want to say, and you know, if you like it, that's fine. If you don't, that's fine. But anyway, I just like to share it. So thank you guys, and have a great day.